Hello guys, 안녕하세요. Welcome to KajaKorea. It's Bomi. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to say goodbye in Korean. Just like in English, there are so many different ways to say bye depending on situation. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any Korean lessons. Alright, let's start with the two most common way to say goodbye in polite way. There is this little thing you need to know in Korean. How to say goodbye actually changes depending on whether you're the one leaving or staying. So here's the deal. You're at the store and you're saying bye to the cashier. You're the one who is leaving and they are staying there. Do you see the difference? So in that case, you say to the cashier, 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. Literally means something like stay in peace. You are kind of wishing the person who is staying behind a peaceful time. It's a bit hard to translate exactly, but that's the general idea. And you are the one who is leaving, so the cashier say, 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요. Which means something like go in peace or leave peacefully. Alright, so quick recap. If the other person is staying, you say 안녕히 계세요. And they are the one leaving, you say 안녕히 가세요. These are the two you'll hear all the time. So yeah, definitely worth remembering. Okay, so that's how it works. And let's move on to the next one. What you say with friends. You wouldn't really say this kind of stuff to strangers. It's more for people you know. It's 안녕, 안녕. This is how you say bye casually to your friends. It literally means peace. And you can use it like hi or bye. 안녕. But be careful. Only use 안녕 with your close friends or someone your age or younger. Never in formal situation. Next one. 잘 가. 잘 가. This means go well. 잘 가. 잘 가. It's super common when your friend is leaving and just wave and say 잘 가. 또 봐. Literally means see you again. It's short, casual, and kind of like saying see ya. 또 봐. 또 봐. 다음에 봐. This one means see you next time. 다음에 봐. 다음에 봐. So, these are good for saying bye to your close friends or who is younger than you. And here are a few more expressions you'll hear all the time in real life, especially when you're saying goodbye in a polite way. 내일 봐요. See you tomorrow. 내일 봐요. 내일 봐요. It's super common at work or school when you know you'll meet again the next day. 내일 봐요. 주말 잘 보내세요. Have a nice weekend. This is such a warm and polite way to say bye on Friday. 주말 잘 보내세요. 주말 잘 보내세요. 조심히 가세요. Get home safely or take care on your way. You'll hear this a lot when someone's heading out. It shows you care. 조심히 가세요. 조심히 가세요. These are perfect for everyday conversation, especially with people you know or want to be kind to. So now you know how to say goodbye in Korean. Each one has its own vibe depending on who you're talking to. Which one do you hear most often in K-drama or Korean contents? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, check out our website, KajaKorea.com. I'll leave the link in the description box. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. 다음에 봐요.